Best license plate LED lights improve vehicle visibility, enhance nighttime safety, ensure legal compliance, and provide a modern, stylish appearance. My today's video is about top 5 best license plate LED lights that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Vistry 2 PCS license plate light. This LED license plate light assembly is a perfect upgrade for drivers seeking a reliable, modern, and hassle-free replacement for factory units. Designed for wide vehicle compatibility, it fits multiple Ford and Lincoln models, including Explorer 2011 to 2023, Escape 2013 to 2019, Fusion 2013 to 2020, Fiesta 2011 to 2019, Expedition 2018 to 2023, and Lincoln MKC 2015 to 2018, directly replacing OEM parts BB5Z 13550A and B8Z 13550. Installation is completely plug-and-play, requiring no wiring, tools, or modifications. Just remove the stock light and install the LED unit in minutes. The ultra-bright 6000K xenon white SMD LEDs deliver crisp illumination, improving license plate visibility and enhancing overall vehicle aesthetics. Built-in SANE bus decoder ensures error-free operation with no flickering or dashboard warnings. Its IP68 waterproof ABS housing and PC lens provide excellent durability, resisting water, shock, and extreme temperatures from -40 degrees Celsius to 85 degrees Celsius. With a lifespan exceeding 50,000 hours, this OEM-style replacement offers long-lasting performance, safety, and a premium factory-fresh appearance. Now our second product is Jaguar LED license plate lights compatible. This LED license plate light is a practical and high-performance upgrade designed for a wide range of Acura and Honda vehicles, including MDX, RL, TL, TSX, ILX, RDX, Odyssey, Pilot, Accord, and Civic sedan models. It is specifically engineered as a direct OEM replacement, ensuring perfect fitment without any modification. Powered by high-output LED chips, it delivers up to 5 times brighter illumination compared to factory bulbs, producing a sharp 6000K white light that significantly improves license plate visibility and enhances the rear-end appearance of the vehicle. This makes it both a safety and aesthetic upgrade. Build quality is excellent, with DOT and SAE certification confirming road legality and reliability. The weather-sealed ABS housing and durable PC lens provide strong resistance against water, dust, shock, and harsh driving conditions, ensuring a lifespan of over 55,000 hours. Installation is fully plug-and-play, requiring no wiring or tools and taking around 15 minutes. With a 12-month warranty included, it offers dependable long-term performance and peace of mind. Our third product is PopMotor's LED license plate light. This LED license plate light is a powerful and reliable upgrade designed specifically for Chevrolet Silverado, GMC Sierra, Colorado, and Canyon models from 2014 to 2022. With wide OEM compatibility and replacement for part numbers like 232516664, 232516665, GM2875100, and GM2875101, it ensures a perfect direct-fit solution for factory light upgrades or replacements. Equipped with 15 high-performance SMD LED chips, this unit delivers up to 10 times brighter illumination than stock bulbs. The crisp 6000K white light significantly enhances rear-end visibility, improving both safety and modern styling. It is an excellent choice for replacing dim, aging, or burnout license plate lights. Installation is completely plug-and-play, requiring no wiring or polarity concerns. The built-in CAN bus system eliminates error codes and flickering, ensuring seamless performance with the vehicle's electrical system. Constructed from premium ABS/PC materials, the housing is fully waterproof, durable, and resistant to fading even under long-term exposure. With energy-efficient operation and extended lifespan, it offers dependable long-term use. Backed by a 100% satisfaction guarantee, it provides both confidence and quality in one upgrade. Now number 4, BFXM LED License Plate Light. This premium license plate light bar offers a well-balanced combination of durability, brightness, and versatility, making it a strong upgrade for a wide range of 12E vehicles. Built from high-quality ABS/PC housing, it resists scratches and UV fading, ensuring long-term clarity and structural integrity even under harsh sunlight exposure. Equipped with 12 high-intensity SMD LEDs, it produces a bright 6,000K white output that significantly improves rear visibility. This not only enhances nighttime safety, but also gives the vehicle a clean, modern lighting appearance. With an IP67 waterproof rating, the unit performs reliably in rain, splashes, and even brief submersion, making it suitable for all-weather driving conditions. The dual-wire design and included specifications, such as 12V operation, 1.2W power consumption, and easy screw-mount installation ensure a straightforward setup using existing mounting points. Beyond license plate use, its multi-purpose compatibility allows it to function as courtesy lighting, RV step lighting, trunk illumination, or utility lighting for trucks, RVs, UTVs, and ATVs. Overall, it is a compact, efficient, and highly adaptable lighting solution. And our last choice is Conrali Halo Magnetic Wireless Trailer Lights Kit. This Halo Wireless LED Towing Trailer Light Kit is a highly practical and modern solution for safe and flexible towing visibility. The package is well equipped, including 2 wireless magnetic trailer lights, a 7 to 4 wire blade transmitter, USB charging accessories, a cigarette plug adapter, a user manual, and extra metal brackets for secure installation. Each light features 58 ultra-bright LEDs covering tail, brake, turn signal, and license plate functions, ensuring clear and highly visible signaling in all driving conditions. The 2.4G wireless system provides stable communication with up to 100 feet range and plug-and-play compatibility via a 7-pin to 4-pin connector, making setup quick and hassle-free. The built-in rechargeable battery offers up to 8 hours of runtime after just 2.5 hours of USB-C fast charging, eliminating the need for disposable batteries. Strong magnetic mounting allows instant installation on steel surfaces without wiring or drilling. With IP67 waterproof protection, it performs reliably in rain, snow, dust, and harsh environments, making it a dependable and portable towing safety upgrade. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.